What's going on, Unstoppable family? So people, here what? More want to join me right now and wish the fastest man in the world who represents free country, Jamaica, a happy birthday. You don't know who me I talk about already. Usain St. Leo Bolt, who was born on August 21st, 1986, celebrates his 33rd birthday today. So if you're not there right now and you rate what Usain Bolt has done for your country and our culture, drop in the comment section and say happy Earth Strong, my general. We love and appreciate you. You see what I say? Also, moving away from Usain a little bit, we want to say congratulations to another ambassador who represent Jamaica on an international scale. Who me I talk about none other than Sean Paul. Sean Paul and his beautiful empress gave birth to a bouncing baby girl recently. So we want to say congratulations to you, Sean Paul. That and a whole heap of more things we are going to talk about in another video here. We're so forward.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, my viewers. If you are not yet a part of this Unstoppable family, please consider hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, all heap of things are going. You don't know, Spice just dropped our treat yesterday and it sell off. A huge number of people turn out for represent for Spice. You see what I say? And you don't forget what them could have get. You see what I say? But you don't know, in the midst of all of that, you are going to have a few naysayers and you are going to have people who are going to come with negativity. But you hear me? We not try highlight them, but more want to just listen to what that woman here have to say about Spice Street yesterday.
Right, you could buy a book for $100, pencil for $30. Come here, so people are push me down. My son, I'll see and turn this from asthma. And a treat me come, this and a treat.
People shall talk about say this and not treat. Hold on there. If she knows that she could have go somewhere go buy whatever she want to buy for herself and spend her own money. Why you gonna go somewhere where you gonna get free things and then I go complain? Boy, me I tell you about, hey, people is man. People is man. We're not even gonna chat about she no more. Moving right along. People, me I gonna tell you something. After Spice Street, Spice did an awesome job. You see what I say? Spice did an awesome job and she even got an apologize to the children who not get. But much more is to come. You see what I say? But right now Spice fly out and gone and speak a little bit of British power. Check it out.
With your performance, Paddy Top is Shaka. Straight from Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica.
All right.
Johnny Reggae's here from Cook Reggae Restaurant as well.
All right.
Caribbean.
Advertisement.
Right, so.
Bro. Come to Carnival, so you don't know. Big up yourself. Guys, you know I just landed in the UK. Of course, you know my accent has to change. I got the British accent look as well, you know. I just got some tea here.
Yeah.
It's not cold, but you know, traveling for 9 hours. It's my first tea because I can't drink on the plane. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm in the UK. Just touched down in the UK. Team. You hear the voice? Tired like that.
Alright, so peeps, tell me in the comment section what you think about Spice British accent. If you don't like it, make me know. Or not, make me know. You see what I say? Now people, who don't know Spragga Benz? Yes, our famous dancehall artist from back in the 90s to today, yeah. Spragga Benz. Yeah, Spragga Benz go do a little bit of zip lining. You don't know the attraction in Jamaica. And the man show off the attractions in Jamaica. So if you're a visitor where you plan to visit Jamaica, you know you can go do some zip lining and full joy yourself in Jamaica, you see, because it's fun. But here what, if you plan to fly down, watch the video here to see what it's like.
Man, are you ready? Here we go. One.
Now people, a whole heap of people that talk about dancehall artists of today compared to dancehall artists of the 90s. You see what I say? Some people say dancehall artists today are seeing too much slackness and thing and the music not clean and a be a garbage and all of them things there. You see what I say? No one reggae entertainer or dancehall entertainer, I mean, I don't know which category she fall under still, but spoke out about this. Tanya Stephens has a lot to say about how people are talking about the present day artists them today. Take a listen.
So I noticed that is a common practice that everybody who comes into music starts acting like they own music. It's like after you've been there for more than a year or two, then the common practice is to start act like you own it and like nobody else can come in after you. And it played out in a whole heap of different ways. Some people don't want to seem like that's what they're doing, so them start to say how awful the music is getting and how terrible the music is getting, and the kids don't make good music. I call bullshit. I'm calling bullshit right now. I've been listening to slap music for as long as I know myself, and I've been listening to crappy music. In fact, when I go back and listen to some of the stuff that used to be hits, when I listen back to them, my now more tuned technical ears, I hear all of the crap we used to do in the music back then. So we need to stop with that. Just please, guys, just stop with that. Make the pitney them make their music. Honestly, why have we grown up to become the old fart that we used to hate when we were young? Why? When we did I listen to Admiral Bailey, Papa San, oh God, me love Johnny P. Woo. Lecturer, I'm coming with some sitting lecturer. Me have to hide and listen lecturer. By the time it's on older teen, young adult, and grindsman coming with Finn Ben Spunani, it just barely legal. I mean, on paper it would have been considered legal, but socially, made it still considered one young person. And me did out to enjoy myself. Porn was there, everything was there. It's just that back in them days, you know, you have to go find somebody with one VCR, with one cassette to come from foreign to go watch it. But we still find ways to do it. I think we need to stop condemn the kids. Instead of we embrace them and teach them how we know, we are condemn them. And I think the biggest reason why we do that is because we don't want to not be valid anymore. But we will always be valid. What I do, nobody can undo it. Nobody can undo it. I may stand up firm and strong in the knowledge of everything I've done. I don't feel insecure when another kid come out and do something. I don't feel like them challenging me, and I don't feel like we're in competition, because what I've done is what I have done. And music is such a vast space. Music no have no boundaries. It's not one limited room where everybody have to cram into. We need to stop it. As me I get older now, and me I look around me and see, me I call hypocrisy and bullshit upon the foolishness. Left to pick them alone. Left them alone. Honest to goodness, left them alone. The conversation keep going on, and me I notice it, and me get involved in some because me feel comfortable with the people where I have it. So me more likely to get in on them. But some of them me not going at all, because if me not comfortable with people, I don't get into their conversations. But I'm seeing the same thing all around. It's hypocrisy and bullshit. Young people go do what expresses them. Now, if you have a problem with who they are, then again you have to blame yourself, because we raise them. Old people raise young people. Young people don't raise themselves. So stop do this foolishness, man, where you call, oh, boys, me, and then, look here, I love old music. Me love old dancehall, 80s, 90s, oh my God. Go further back than that and make him get your fire. But me can't mandate it for everybody. That can't be everybody playlist where I say, the young people have nothing to live. And when me look back in my past, me can draw back my stitchy them and feel good and know say this me relate to this, and you don't want them to make nothing for them go draw back to when them get old like we. We don't have to stop it, man. A foolishness and I keep up.
Now, as much as me have my own opinions on dancehall music today and dancehall music of back in the day, you know, more say, you know, give and take. Yes, I say. But more, uno tell me, uno agree with what Tanya Stephens has said. Uno feel like artists these days more ranchy than artists back in the day. Uno have to say about dancehall today. You understand what I say? And dancehall from back in the day. Is Tanya Stephens making sense, or is she talking a bunch of, you see? Me no know. More have to hear from uno. You understand? If you feel like she makes sense, tell me in the comment section. If you feel like she not make no sense, tell me in the comment section. After Tanya Stephens released that video, uno know say the trolls attack. The trolls them roll out at Tanya Stephens. We see people are comment under the post and say, yo, Tanya Stephens, you have to shut up, you want all dinosaur. Me see people say, yo, why you not go try find one hit song to write again? Because you wash up right now, you're not drop nothing. That's why you come out and do these kind of posts and all kind of things, you know. Hey, trolls on the internet now play, you know. When people ready for talk, them talk up the things, you know, man. I'm not afraid, you know, people, John knows that. It's like people behind phone screens or computer, laptop or desktop or whatever them depend, just not have no, yo, John know, them don't know how to, you know. I know people, me I tell you no. Them deal with it away. You understand? But as me say, touch me in the comment section, let me know if Tanya Stephens was talking facts or not. You see, watch you know. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. You know as me tell you already, like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And hey, if you not start follow Unstoppable Live, which is the live channel where we go live at night time from 9 o'clock. Every night to 10 o'clock, well not every night, but Monday night to Friday night. Make sure we click the link down in the description, go over to the live channel and we have conversations, fun, entertaining and interactive conversations. And you can call in and share your views on whatever the topic is too. You see, watch you know, if you not do it, go and go do it now. It's Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.